Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to create a pie chart in QlikView. So I have been over here in this start window or the start page of QlikView. Just go over here and click on New Document. Select the data source and click on Browse. So I'll select a file known as Sales 2017. Click on Open. Click on Next Step. Now it will ask us to select and save the file. So I'll name it as Click 6. So I have saved the file. Click on Next Step. Now it will ask us to choose a chart type. So I'll go with this particular pie chart. Click on Next Step. Dimension which we have to select is nothing more. So I'll select with this particular. This is nothing but a dimension which will be consisting of a text data. And in this particular, these are the different data which will be considered consisting of numerals, numbers. So I'll go with this area. I'll go with this sales done and so calculated the sum of sales done. So the sum of sales done will be displayed. So this is basically the dimension which will be having the text, the expression which will be having the numbers. So here there is no relation of x-axis and y-axis. Just click on next step because this is a Python. So I'll go with the list boxes. I don't want this table box over here. Click on create. So this is the list boxes over here. When I clicked on this, so it is only going to show me that particular. So I hope you have understood how to create a pie chart in case of QlikView. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.